The seroprevalence study of the COVID-19 positivity rate in Meghalaya stands at only 42%. Conducted after the second wave, the study focuses on the SARS-CoV-2 seropositivity rate, shows it comparatively lesser than many states. Principal Secretary Health and Family Welfare Sampath Kumar said the study shows that the COVID infection rate is only 42% in the state. Hailing the community and the citizens of the state for maintaining COVID-appropriate behaviors, Kumar said the study is being done on 6,000 blood samples in the state. September, October and November months were selected for the study. Another reason for the low infection rate in the state is the aggressive vaccination policy of the state health department, which has helped in controlling the situation.
Like we have collected 6,000 samples, blood samples, randomly from across the state, at the facility level, and then checked whether they have any antibodies related to COVID virus. So this exercise is called Seroprevalence study, and the study report shows that our infection is only 42%. But nevertheless, I think we should give a lot of appreciation for our communities for following that COVID appropriate behavior. Besides that, of course, now the vaccine is also an important thing. I think that way we feel very positive about the collective efforts in terms of handling the COVID.
Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister